Tuesday afternoon. I think it's like 2 o'clock. Finished up all of the inside paneling, and then it's got its first coat of white paint on it. Paint's a little rough, but it's just a quick preliminary coat, and then we're gonna put a second coat on this afternoon. I don't know why my camera's all dirty. I wonder if I messed up my lens or something. Anyways, so we got just the first preliminary coat on it. We got the radiuses built in the back, the mount for the mini split. I know, paneling's not perfect, but pretty much all the seams are gonna end up getting covered by walls or cabinets or something. So hopefully we're gonna get the second coat of paint on. We gotta let this sit a little bit longer, and then hopefully get the ceiling put in and the flooring put in today is the goal. And if there's extra time, maybe get some more of the citrus strip wiped off the outside. I believe we've got some stuff coming from Amazon today, so depending on what that is, we might be able to get a little more done. So that's where we're at. A little quick update. Garage is totaled. Also this cabinet, good Menards quality here. So that blows. So it is Thursday today. We did not work on the camper yesterday. Had some appointments yesterday, and then put a bathroom in my brother's house. But on Tuesday we got a lot of flooring in. Ceilings all in, lights. So we gotta finish up the flooring. Then I was gonna put cabinets in. However, we gotta get a new one now. So I did find one in stock only an hour away. So we'll run and grab that. Put the back flooring in. I'll start on the bedroom then, and go from there. Our stuff's finally coming in. Not finally, it's only been a week, but we got a hot water heater. We got 2 sinks because we changed our mind after we ordered one. Faucet, cooktop, propane door, power inverter, or not power inverter, power converter, CO2 monitors, bumper hitch.